In today's video, I'm going to show you the best Intel HD graphics settings that can help boost your FPS and improve overall gaming performance. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Ali, and welcome back to another video on this channel. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. First, right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Now scroll down and click on Graphics. Next, search for your game in the list. Click on Options, select High Performance, and then hit Save. Step 2. After that, right-click on the desktop again, click on Show More Options, and select Graphics Properties. Now choose 3D. In Application Optimal Mode, select Enable. Under General Settings, choose Custom Settings. Set Anti-Aliasing to Turn Off. For the next two options, select Application Settings, then click Apply and Yes. Now, click on this arrow and select Video. After that, click Video in the upper left corner and then choose Image Enhancement. Select the Advanced tab. In Noise Reduction, choose Driver Custom Settings and set the value to 0. And finally, click Apply and Yes to save all the changes. That's it! Your Intel HD graphics is now optimized for better FPS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.